Hey guys, you notice something different, huh? The nose of this thing was pointing the other direction. There's a reason why. The owners are gonna love this one. Oh yes. Oh certainly. They're gonna love this. On. Forward. Listen to this. Give it a minute. See? It's really just a start-go system here. Now, this thing was sitting in the garage for a few days for a reason. Sorry about that. A little quick interruption. Anyways, what I was saying is the reason why this is parked in here is because when me and my friend decided I got a friend of mine to help me out with this golf cart, and what happened is we were taking it out there, right? And we got a good clip going on the road, and then all of a sudden, the thing just gave up the ghost. It just stopped right dead on the road and just chugged it to oblivion. We had to kind of limp this thing back here. We had to look at it. I did a little tweaking. They took it out again. It did the same thing. So we limped it back in here, and it's been sitting like this ever since. Anyways, I got word from my friend that he contacted his neighbor who knows more about this, and he said that the fuel line to the back here, the metal fuel line, probably has a hairline fracture. I'm like, well, that ought to do it. So there's excess air going to the fuel, and it's frothing up the fuel, so we got to replace fuel line. I unfortunately don't have any fuel line, but at the moment we can actually see this thing move, so let me get the tractor back a little bit so I can do this. This thing will need brakes at some point in its lifetime. Anyways, I moved the tractor out of the way. The pulley logo is going to come off pretty soon here. I just got to get some glue on. Anyways, forward position. Make sure key's on. Make sure it starts. So do you mean that it's moving? Anyways, take the other end, move it back in reverse. Anyways, it's just a heel brake. Just press that in. Anyways, see, it does move. It does work. I'll deal with fuel line tomorrow. You guys have already seen it before, so this is just kind of a quick update. It's also smoke in here. Smoky. Smoky, smoky. Once I get new fuel line put into it, I'll take the fuel line out today. I'm going to do that in camera because it's just a lot of work. Actually, I will. It's just going to be a little bit. Anyways, this will be a kind of a part 1. Actually, it's probably a part 6, part 5 maybe. I don't know. Anyways, there you guys. See you in the next one.